Well, hello. Yep, I got a Christmas gift sent to me by one of my subscribers, and I thought, well, I'm going to open it here. I don't encourage this kind of thing, though. Honestly, I do not. But this has been a friend of mine online now for about 3 years. I know, how can you know a person online? Believe me, there have been times where I thought I knew people. Yeah, but you just can't. This person here never pretends to be someone they're not. There's no way in the world someone's going to pretend to be Charlene. Nope, because you can't. Oh, you know, one in a million kind of thing. Anyway, her channel is Charlene's Hangout. And we've been working, oh gosh, it's been at least 3 years we've been working together now. So, let's see what it is that she sent me. Sorry, I had to protect our privacy here. Oh my gosh, okie dokie. Yeah, she sure does like the tape here. Alrighty, well, here we go. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okie dokie, here we go. Here we go. Ah, there we go. Okay, ready then. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready, I'm ready. Yeah, I kind of get excited. Okay, let's see. Oh, yes, see, she knows me so well too. Because, oh, look at that, would you? I love these. If you're having any kind of problem staying warm, oh, I just really love these. I find them to be so soft and they keep me so warm. Now, no, this is not for me. This is for my little Henry dog because, well, you know, he doesn't go outside to go potty. No, he goes potty on the inside. Yeah, I've got disposable ones and then I've got cloth ones that I use for him. But yeah, I'm going to be going on vacation in a while and this is going to be perfect for Henry because I could put it down in the bathroom in the hotel and he could go potty and everything. Oh, thank you, Charlene. Because I didn't buy Henry any presents this year. Well, I ran out of money. So, thank you, Charlene. Now, there's something funky about these socks, though. Yeah, they shouldn't make that kind of noise. So I think Charlene stuck something in here. Oh, she thought I needed toothpaste. Oh, Charlene, thank you for the toothpaste. Ah, she was just kidding. Okay then. What is this, Charlene? Gosh, I'm not too sure. This one comes from India. And this one... What is this, Charlene? Oh, it'd be so helpful if she was here. Yeah, it would be. Well, let's see. You know, it went through customs without a problem, Charlene. What is this? Well, let's find out. It smells like baby powder in here. Yeah, it does. Oh. It's incense. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, it's the incense that smells this good. It kind of smells like baby powder. Thank you, Charlene. Let's smell the other one. Oh, just for heck's sake. You know, I used to be good with a knife. Yeah, not so much anymore. Well, you know, since we all went to cell phone usage. No. I just don't open many packages these days. Ooh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This is a little bit more. It smells kind of like baby powder, but a little bit more. Whew. I wonder if this is the frankincense. Let me see here. Because she knows I'm Catholic, and I never get to go to midnight mass. So, you know, I miss the smell of the frankincense. But, yeah, I'm at a loss here. It's from India. Well, it's not going to tell me. I'm going to have to ask her. She's been waiting for me to open this and call her back, and I fell asleep. So she's probably thinking, oh, she didn't like my presents. No, I do. I just said, I'm kind of fighting something off right now. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know where it says. Well, it says sandal. I think that might be like sandalwood. So this one is champa. I only know how to say water in Indian. Okay, so agarbati. Well, I'll ask her. Yes, I'm sure it smells good. It smells really good. Ooh. She bought me popcorn. She bought me popcorn. She really did buy me popcorn. Okay. Oh, it's prize oh, no. Okay, so not popcorn. I never know. Oh, wagon wheels. I think these are the ones that have the marshmallow in there. Is it, Charlene? Yes, it is. Well, thank you, because she kept asking me, do you guys have wagon wheels there? I don't know. Boy, she's sure slick with trying to cover all this stuff up in here. You guys wouldn't believe what it takes to send something into or out of the United States at this time. Yeah, this was sent, gosh, I believe on maybe the 9th. Yeah, I guess that's not too terribly bad, but what she had to go through to send it, you have to list every single thing that's on here. So I didn't look at that when I opened the box, because you have to. But, okay, get it back in there somehow. And you can always get it out, but you can't always get it back in. No. Yep, that's it. There we go. Because you know what I noticed about these socks again? Oh, well, you know what? She's got a few cats. A few. And she's got little names for them. They all have little personalities, so that's really cute, Charlene. But this one here, it feels a little funny. Yeah, it feels like there's coal in the bottom of that stocking. No, I'm kidding. Let's see. Oh my goodness. You know, I kind of feel bad. I didn't get Charlene anything this year. I'm sorry, Charlene. Because this is very thoughtful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness. Well, see, I'm allergic to cats, and she's got, well, a few. So, you know, I was telling her, oh, you know, please, when you're doing that, don't accidentally send me a cat. Well, yeah, don't let them play in the box and stuff, but I can't even smell her cigarette smoke. So that's pretty good. My uncle sent me something one time, and I'll tell you something. It really smelled like cigarette smoke. Oh, looky. This is going to go in my garden. You know, I'm doing my reviews all the time on my garden and stuff. Well, this one will be in my garden. because I needed an angel to watch over me. Oh, looky. That is really sweet, Charlene. I'm not gonna let this fall over here. Alrighty then. Here we go. Here we go. I guess you people will be glad I try to speed some of this up, huh? Hey, you know what? I usually get presents from my family and that's enough for me. But every once in a while, it's nice to get something special. Oh, and she knows how much I miss the ocean. Oh, I do so very much. I forgot I used to know the name of these. I had a saltwater tank for a while. Isn't that pretty? Oh, thank you, Charlene. What's this one going to be? Well, there's nothing moving around in there, so no kitty cat got in there. Because she had kittens recently, and, well, I'd feel bad if it didn't make it in the mail, but I'd really feel bad if she sent me one. Oh. So I will have 2 angels to watch over me. Little cherubs are what these are called. Oh, thank you, Charlene. You know, I've known this about Charlene for a long time because she's always sending stuff to all the friends, and yeah, well, I feel bad they didn't send her anything. Now this is different. A Kit Kat Chunky Rolo. Oh, yeah, that's got to be interesting. And a Wonder Bar. You know what? I bet you this is going to be like a Butterfinger. Oh, so I've got Canadian candy. Oh, for my little Henry. Well, yeah, there's cat hair here. Yep, Henry. Oh, I didn't get him anything for Christmas. Now he has a little Christmas sweater. Oh, you know I'm gonna take him for a little walk. I always do. So we'll have a little bit of a Christmas chit chat maybe. Oh, for his little leash to come through. Well, that is really cute. And you know, a place where he could still go pee and poo without getting it all over him. Even when he thinks it's a fart and it's not. It's okay. Oh, another pair of warm, fluffy socks. Ooh, and a Kit Kat. Do you know how much these are here now? Well, I was a little put off because like $1.74 to get one of these here now. $1.74. They should be $1. Okay. Okay, it's not what you're thinking, okay? Nope, not what you're thinking. Not sure I would have taken this chance here, but not what you're thinking. So, what I've got is Charlene grows and makes tinctures and teas, and these are the little teas she sent me. So I got peppermint, I've got orange mint, peppermint, chocolate mint, and orange mint. I like that. I just like the sound of it. And these, oh my goodness, she has a big crop of dill, so she sent me some dill seeds. Well, gosh, Charlene, you know, you've packed a lot into this little teeny tiny box here. And no, my mail lady didn't try to stick it in my mailbox. Oh, she's always trying to fit things in there. She must be incredibly busy. So what we're going to do, because we're going to read the cards we got from Charlene. Oh, that's pretty. Now I'm going to see if she wrote anything in here that'll embarrass me first, okay? Yeah, well, I'll just show you quickly because what she wrote to me was personal. It just says, wishing you joy as you welcome Christmas into your home and heart. See, oh, you're not going to get a good vision of that. But she said some personal things to me. And oh, look it, I got $5 Canadian. Is that $5? Thank you, Charlene. 2 cards. I guess I'm extra special. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I think I'm going to. You know, I spend Christmas Eve every year with my grandchildren. Every morning I've got to watch them get up and open their presents, and I'm a picture taker. You know, I do video and things with them, and so I get to watch how they've grown. So yeah, to me, that's one of those gifts that you can't, well, you can't re-gift it. No, you can't re-gift it, but you can never go back and recreate it. So I will be having myself a wonderful Christmas, and I'm happy with the company that I keep for Christmas. Thank you so much, Charlene. And you know what? Henry will appreciate this too, because I think they say it has a nice fuzziness to it there that's soft for his little feetsies. Yeah, when he's done going potty, Mommy comes in, she washes his face, and she washes his feet, and then she checks, pulls up the tail, and she checks, and because you might have to wash there too. So yeah, he's a little well-loved. Thank you so much, Charlene. You have a Merry Christmas too. Justyn too. Her son's name is Justyn, and he has Justyn's Bees. That's a Y, S-T-Y-N. Anyway, Justyn's Bees, check that out. He's very good with his bees. And these people have been a part of like my little family here for, well, about 3 years. We started getting along the moment I met her. Because in some ways we're a lot alike. But, yeah, this was really nice. You guys have yourselves a wonderful Christmas. I think, yeah. This won't be out until, I think the 30th. So yeah, you guys have yourselves a really happy new year. There you have it, and I will too, and I'll be sure to be warm too. And you know, I appreciate this, but it's not something I find necessary for my subscribers to do. This is not a little hint. Hey, you should be sending me something. I have no wish lists anywhere. No, I'm good. But thank you for this, Charlene. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll talk to you later. Bye.